In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the call option on TikTok. So open up the TikTok app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, then click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. And what you want to do now is you want to click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on help center. Once you're on the help center, click on report a problem and then scroll down, and then you can see this button there at the bottom that says need more help. Click onto that and then click onto other, and TikTok support will now start loading up. And then what you want to do is type hello, I don't have the call option, please help me out, and then you can send that, and then the TikTok support will go ahead and help you out with that. And you can see it generates answers, and eventually they'll be able to look into it for you and help you with the feature. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.